Hello, everyone. As you know, I have been very remiss about Happy Mail, and I'm trying to catch up and say thank you. And so today I'm going to do a few things. Some of these were basically cards that came in packages with the Ugly Fabric Challenge, and that's how bad it's been as far as my getting things said thank you for. This is a beautiful card from Kathy D, and it was in with her Ugly Fabric Challenge, and I want to put it into my book today too. Basically, I'm either going to turn some of these into pockets and just tuck things in, but I just really want to say thank you and that I'm sorry. This is a cute little, it says La Bella Vita, and it was she just used it to say thank you for the Ugly Fabric Challenge, and this came from Lori. That's her channel is Paint Girly. So I'm gonna just tuck these things in. This is from Susie Brata, I think that's how she says it. She didn't think the fabric was all that ugly. So this is such a pretty card. And there again, I just want to kind of say thank you guys for playing in the challenge again and for sending me little notes. And that one is from Lisa, and it's got a cute little dragonfly on it. So these were just little notes that came from that. This was from Roy. He says, this was great fun. I've decided to title this little piece. Oh, I've told you about that. In a world full of daisies, dare to be a rose. So anyways, that's just his note. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a pocket with Kathy's card, and then I'm going to tuck all of those things in to the pocket. And my book is getting very full, so I'm going to have to hunt a spot that I can do that with, which this ought to work right here. Yes, yes. This way I can open my the card from Kathy and see who it's from, and by just tucking in the other things I'll be able to read them too when I want to. So well, I'm just going to tuck these things right in here like so. All just in there. I'm not going to put them all the way in right now because this isn't dry. The next thing I got was a card from Becky. I'm just going to move this. Let's see if I can just move this. Okay. And this is an absolutely beautiful card, Becky. And I want to apologize. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. I want to apologize for not saying thank you sooner. This is just absolutely stunning, guys. It's got paint marker and white marker and background paint, and some of the marker just kind of stands up, and this was from our Streamathon, and she wanted to send me an ATC that she made while she was doing that. So this was from March, and I honestly did not tell her thank you. Becky, I am sorry. This is a beautiful card, and I should have thanked you a long time ago. This says, take wing and fly, and isn't that beautiful? It's made during our Streamathon in March. So I was very bad about that. So what I want to do is I'm going to make another pocket out of Becky's envelope and put these things in it just like that, because it's just so pretty. So I think what I'm going to do is just put it on the other side of this one. This glue dries pretty fast, but I still don't I don't want to trust it to dry completely. I'm going to just tuck Becky's envelope right in there. And I'm going to use a couple of clamps because that way it will stay on. This book has gotten so full. I just love how it's gotten full, but at the same time, it makes it hard to even glue things in. So that will glue in, and now Becky's card is in there just like so. So now let me put this, these are not ready to go. I don't want to tuck those in just yet. Becky's card is in the envelope, so it's not going to get glue on it. But the other thing I want to do is, this came from Maria. And I believe Maria's last name is pronounced Van Dork. I'm not sure. She is from the Netherlands. And Maria, I am sorry for murdering your last name. She also participated in the Ugly Fabric Challenge. And she sent me these lovely goodies when she sent that. And this card, which does not have an email on it. And she says, I hope you like the very ugly fabric a little bit better. It was fun to work with. Hope you're fine. And I wish you all a very creative spring. By the way, guys, if you're not familiar with the Ugly Fabric Challenge, I will try to link it right up there. And it was a lot of fun. I did do a video of all of the things that came back, which was a lot of fun. I still haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do with those items. I have sort of an idea for some of them. I thought at first I could put them all into a book, but it was not going to happen because they're not all really book worthy. So some of them were three-dimensional, and Mindy's doll was amazing. So I don't want to try to tell you I will put them into something right this minute because I'm still trying to figure it all out. I haven't even taken care of Happy Mail, let alone that. So anyways, this is the card that Maria sent, and isn't it beautiful? It's watercolor and ink, which is absolutely lovely. And then, I don't know, this may be alcohol ink on the back of it. But I'm going to just tuck that in with the other Ugly Fabric notes that I got. So I'm just going to tuck that into my book. But then she sent this lovely fun stuff. And I did take the stamps off of the different envelopes to make, because that's a lot of fun. So, oh, and there's some fun paper. So I am going to do a little book page. I don't know what I'm going to do yet in my little paper book with Maria's bits. She sent me some beautiful, oh, that's lovely. But it's a little, I want to leave it long. I don't want to cut that, I don't think. Oh, that's lovely too. Okay, guys, I'm going to get busy here and do something with Maria's bits. Okay, guys, that's all I really have time to do today. I know I still have more happy mail that I really need to get to, especially things that came in during the, oops, I'm so sorry. Let's go back out a little bit. That came in during the Ugly Fabric Challenge, but for today, this is all I have time to do. So I want to say thank you to Kathy and Susan and everyone who sent notes for the Ugly Fabric Challenge, to Maria, who sent me some little bits to make a page with, which I love. This textured card is really cool. I really like how this page came out. It's kind of, you know, I don't know, kind of arty kind of thing. Now, this was not the stamp off of Maria's envelope. Maria's stamps have, and I guess maybe the tulip would have been all right, but it just didn't look like it quite went. And I thought the butterfly went better. These are very cool stamps, and I'll use them for something else another time. But the other bits came from Maria. And thank you, Becky, for your card in March. I am so sorry that I didn't say thank you for sooner. It got set aside. We were probably gone when it came in. And that's part of the problem, is a lot of this mail came in while we were on our trip, and then it got put in a box, and I just haven't gotten to it, and I do apologize for that. So, Kathy, you made a beautiful card. Everybody, thank you for the happy mail. I just want you all to know I am sorry for not getting to it sooner, and I love you all. Now, go have fun and make some art. Bye-bye.